Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to restore your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app and click on three dots and go to settings and then click on chat and click on chat backup, and you can include videos here and then click on backup, and your backup is uploading on Google Drive. If you install your app, then you can back up your data with Google Drive. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.